Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases, as proven by many researches. But one must consult doctor before practicing yoga and practice under supervision of a yoga teacher. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases.
7 poses for diabetes: Surya Namaskar, Paschimottanasana, Shalabhasan, Sarvangasana, Matsyasana, Mayurasana and Supta Pavan Muktasana. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a set of 12 asanas ideally performed at sunrise as worship to Sun God. For each of the 12 asanas, there is a breathing pattern which has to be followed. Pranamasana. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern, exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head and arc your body backwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together and bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs. Touch your palms on ground and head on legs. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring right leg backwards and touch the right knee on the floor. Place the left foot between the palms and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Parvatasana. Bring the right leg next to left and place hands shoulder width apart on ground. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Slide the body down, keeping the hips in a way that all 8 limbs are touching the floor. 8 limbs are toes, knees, hands, chest and chin. Breathing pattern, maintain a state after exhale. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart in front of your chest. Lift your body above navel, balancing it on hands, and turn your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Parvatasana. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring left leg backwards and touch the left knee on floor. Place the right foot between the palms with right knee touching the chest and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together, bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs, with palms touching the ground and head touching the legs. Breathing pattern, exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head, arcing your body. Breathing pattern, inhale. Pranamasana. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern, exhale. Surya Namaskar is amazing exercise which cures lot of diseases like asthma, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, low blood pressure, obesity, skin diseases, and tonsillitis. As a precaution, people suffering from sciatica pain, hernia, and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice Surya Namaskar. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication or through practice of other asanas.
Paschimottanasana. Stretch your legs forward and then bend forward, interlocking arms around your feet and move head closer to your legs.
Paschimottanasana calms mind, improves concentration, strengthens abdomen muscles and improves digestive system. It strengthens the entire spine and removes back pain. It cures acidity, diabetes and menstrual disorders. People suffering from sciatica pain and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas.
Shalabhasana. Lie down on your stomach, placing both the hands under thighs, keeping the feet together. Lift your trunk and legs to the extent possible above the floor. Stay in this position for a comfortable duration. Shalabhasana broadens chest, makes waist flexible, strengthens abdomen muscles and improves digestive system. Helps in reducing fat around stomach, waist, hips and thighs. Cures diabetes and menstrual disorder. Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back. Place your hands on either side, aligned with legs, with palms touching the ground. Without bending the legs, lift your legs and move body beyond the head till the toes touch the floor. Stay in this position, breathing normally for a comfortable duration. Sarvangasana helps in reducing excess weight, strengthens legs, knees, waist, neck and shoulders, improves blood circulation and cures skin diseases, removes bad odor from body, cures acidity, digestive problems, diabetes, eyesight problems, insomnia, piles, spondylitis and tonsillitis.
Matsyasana. Assuming Padmasana, slowly move your trunk backwards until the head rests on the ground. Keeping the hands on either side of your body, lift your trunk, arcing the spine so that entire body is balanced on head and hips. Hold your right toe with left hand and left toe with right hand. Stay in this position for a comfortable duration. Matsyasana nourishes eyes, reduces eye strain and improves vision. Spinal cord becomes flexible and helps in reducing back pains. When tired after swimming for some time, one can easily rest and float on water in this position. Expands chest and lungs, which helps in curing respiratory problems. It improves the skin glow and enhances beauty. Cures asthma, bronchitis, digestive problems, depression, diabetes, skin diseases and tonsillitis. People suffering from sciatica pain and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas. Mayurasana. Keeping the knees shoulder width apart, sit on your toes, place your palms on floor with fingers pointing away from body towards left and right side. Join your elbows and adjust elbows under the navel. Lift your knees and legs, balancing the body weight on elbows. Now stretch your legs like feathers of peacock and stay in this position for a comfortable duration, breathing normally. Mayurasana alleviates all digestive system related problems and tones abdominal organs. It's good exercise for liver and pancreas and cures diabetes. Mayurasana improves eyesight and strengthens arms and lungs. People suffering from high blood pressure and hernia should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yogas.
Supt Pavan Muktasana. Lie down on your back, keeping the legs straight. Bend the left leg at knee and move it on top of chest. Tightly coil both the hands around the bent left leg and raise head above floor. Repeat it for other side. Can also be practiced by bending both the legs and bringing both the knees together close to chest and coiling hands around both the legs and bringing the chin closer to the knees. Supt Pavan Muktasana improves blood circulation in legs and helps in curing joint pains, strengthens legs and hips, cures acidity, digestive problems, diabetes, gastric problems and high blood pressure, improves digestive system, helps in reducing back pain and also helps in curing spondylitis.